Just want to let everybody know I'm doing well. I'm doing hot. I got hot hand out of it last race. I went here Lake City. Now I'm on redemption on that racetrack. Oh, it took me out up at my Joe car a lot. Now it's just like no, it's like this hot racing go kart and race car like comment drive, and I like to know it. Now it's just like to know everybody doing well. I'm probably didn't post the last 4 or 5 days, 8 months, so I've been working on my race car. I'm trying to take OC back. All that. I swapped Owen out. I don't need them no more. I might burn them or whatever. Oh, they're old. I'm looking for 16 by 24 and 10 minus 12. That's the depth and the width of the fuel cell I need. I need one that ain't right, but still running order. Where it can hold good fuel tank. Now, if y'all like this kind of content, comment, and subscribe. Thank, thank you. Hope everybody doing well. See you on that one. Bye. Walk Hour Racing coming back. See, turn on that bell icon so that let y'all know when I post every time. Dude, thank, bye.